Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel, checking out another video. Tonight we got another small batch company brand new into the world of bearding. Tonight we bring you, this is going to be a tricky name, rtha. I'll put it right here so you guys know what it's really called. Stay tuned. Welcome back guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking it out. I hope you're enjoying the content. I hope you are safe and sound wherever you are with this whole COVID thing going on. Did any guys catch the debate? Yeah, that was a shit show. Anyway, thank you guys for the continued support. I really appreciate it, each and every one of you on here and on my Instagram. Tonight we're going to be going over a new company out of Illinois. This is a tricky name. I have it wrote down on my side right here. Untitled. I hope I said that right. I hope I don't have to say it too many times, but I'll put it right here so you guys know how to say it. And it's Irish Gaelic. Owners Michael and Octavia. Octavia, I love that name. It's just a cool name. Michael served in the Marines for 9 years. Currently has a bachelor's degree in psychology. His wife Octavia, having sensitive skin, plus seeing her husband's brothers and the family members have really dry, brittle hair and beard. She wanted to get involved with this as well. After tons and tons of research and development, trial and errors, they came up with an oil and a butter. They are 100% organic and natural. There's no chemicals in it, no parabens, any garbage like that for your beard. Also, Mike is also known as One-Eyed Mike. Before we get any further than that, guys, if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you watch the video and you dig it and you like it and you enjoy the content, hit that thumbs up button. I appreciate it. rtha. I keep saying that wrong, I think, in my head, but it sounds like it's right to me. I don't know, I might be wrong. Michael and Octavia sent me out an oil and a butter to review for them and for you guys. The name is another tricky one. The name of the oil and butter is rtha. I think I said that right too, which means cheers friend. I thought that was pretty cool. Me being almost full-blood Irish, thought that was really cool how they came up with this. The scent profile. I had to write the scent profile down so I didn't get anything wrong. It's tobacco being smoked out of a wooden pipe. Picture this in your head. Add a little bit of rum with that mixture and the scent of the burning wood while he's smoking that pipe. And that's the scent you get. Rum and tobacco being smoked out of a pipe, a wooden pipe. We'll start with the oil, of course. Remember, it's called rtha. I can't do the tongue roll. I don't know why. I just can't do it. And like I said, they're a new company, 100% natural. The ingredients in these products, let's see: jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, apricot, black Jamaican castor oil, sunflower seed oil, macadamia nut oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oil blend. Now the let's see, the macadamia nut oil is new to me, and the black Jamaican castor is new to me. Feel and beard was very, very pleasant. I enjoyed it. It gave my beard a little bit of a shine. You kind of get that little bit of shine when the sun hits it perfectly. That's the kind of shine this gave me. And the oil, as you can see, is a medium weight. The scent profile. Right off the bottle open, you get that rum. It's a nice punch, not too overbearing, but it's got a nice punch to it. And you get remnants of that tobacco on the back end of it. Now, when you warm it up and put it in beard, to me, in my opinion, it changes. It changes into that rum and that pipe tobacco, and it smells absolutely great. Guys that aren't familiar with scent profiles, I'm included in that because I don't know them all. A lot of guys will get that rum mixed up with a different scent, but it's definitely a good smelling rum. I really enjoyed the scent. The first time when I popped the bottle open, my wife, she was sitting across the room. I popped it open and, you know, sniffed the bottle. And about, I don't know, 5 seconds, and, you know, she popped up her hand. She's like, "Oh, what's that?" That's how I knew this was going to be a good scent. Like I said, feel in beard. It made my beard really soft. It felt good in beard, non-greasy. Didn't weigh it down or nothing. It just, the scent, the profile was really good. Just a great oil. I really enjoyed using this product. The butter. This is another product they created that is absolutely amazing. The ingredients in the butter are shea butter, mango butter, and apricot oil and vitamin E oil. This butter is super smooth. Let me show you. Of course, there's the cap, and they come in the 2-ounce green jars. Really cool looking. I really like the logo. I like that. That's pretty nice. The only thing I do not like about the plastic tops is if you over tighten them a little bit. I don't know if you guys can pick that up. Actually, let me just show you. If you see that, there's a little crack right there. You can't really see it because my big mug's in the way, but you guys get the point. There it is. That's the only thing I don't like about the plastic tops. The consistency of the butter is really smooth. When I did get it, it was, I think, one of the last hottest days we had, and it was kind of melted, so I did the microwave trick, popped it in 3 times for 15-second intervals. It was all liquefied. I threw it in the freezer for about maybe 20-25 minutes, and then moved it down to the refrigerator. In about 2 hours, it was perfectly fine. And the consistency of it, as you can see, it's really soft. It's a great butter. You guys can pick that up. As you can see, rub it in a couple times, and it does have a little bit of a tack to it when you're rubbing it around. But as you put it in beard, that tackiness goes away. It has a slight hold, not too much, because there's actually no beeswax in this. So for all you guys that don't like the beeswax in your butters, try this company out. I guarantee you're gonna like this butter. And as far as hold, like I said, it has a slight hold with the other butters that are in it, but nothing too major. And the excess, you can just rub on your arms and your tattoos and your elbows. And just the scent profile, that rum is like dominant, and you get the back end of the tobacco, and it's a great scent profile. Now we go to Mr. Beardtastic. How does it feel? Butter feels absolutely great in beard. Being that it has no wax in it, there's no hold. There's a slight hold when you do put it in, but after a few minutes, your beard is like super soft. It feels great in beard. The scent profile, it's got a good punch to it, but it's not headache punch. It'll linger in the room if you're sitting in a room somewhere. I enjoy the scent profile. My wife really enjoys the scent profile. She really likes it. Just an overall great product. I've been saying this in my reviews. These newer companies coming up with these products are absolutely just blowing it out of the water in making these products. There's such good products. I'll leave everything in the description, guys, for you. If you want to check, let me say it again, rtha. I'm so sorry, Michael and Octavia, if I am butchering that. I apologize. I want to say thank you to you guys for sending out the combo. I really appreciate it. Guys, like I said, everything will be in the links below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight. And if you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button. Till the next review, guys. Peace.